Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel Google One subscription and or downgrade storage. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. You can cancel or downgrade your Google One subscription through the Google One website or the mobile app or your device's app store setting, depending on how you originally signed up. If you're wondering how to downgrade your storage, all you need to do is visit the Google One setting page and then select change membership plan and choose a smaller plan from the downgrade options. On Android, open the Google One app, tap on menu, then into settings and into change membership plan and select a smaller plan. On iPhone or iPad, simply open the Google One app, then head into menu and membership plans and manage plan. Now, in order to go ahead and cancel your subscription, all you need to do is to go to the Google One website, select cancel membership and follow the prompts to confirm. On Android, you can do the same by opening the Google One app, tap on menu, then settings, then cancel membership and confirm the cancellation. It's very similar on an iPhone as well. So I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.